So, Israel was born blind to the truth, to the Most High God Elyon, and to the light, Jesus. Kaya sabi ng John 1:4-14, the Word gave life to everything that was created, and His life brought light to everyone. Of course, we know that the Word refers to Jesus. The light shines in the darkness. Ayan na naman yung darkness at yung light. And the darkness can never extinguish it. He came into the very world He created, but the world did not recognize Him like the Israelites would not recognize Jesus. He came to His own people, and even they rejected Him. That's what He did to Jesus. But to all who believed Him, tulad ng bulag, and accepted Him, tulad ng bulag, He gave the right to become children of God, nakakakita at hindi bulag. So examine. Mag-self-examination tayo sandali. Tayong tumatawag sa mga sarili nating Christian, born-again Christian, kung ano mga brand ng Christian. May full gospel, may half gospel, may one-fourth gospel. Merong ganito, merong ganyan, may baptized, may unbaptized. Merong sprinkling, merong immersion, merong pouring. Lahat na ng brand. Kilala na ba natin talaga si Jesus? Na-isolate na ba natin ang love from the law? Grace from judgment? Jesus from Moses? Jesusness from Yahwism? Naintindihan na ba natin? Para bang magulong buhok na nasuklay na ba natin yan? Para ma-i-operationalize in our lives. Tama na ang pause, balik sa kwento. John 9:24, muli nilang ipinatawag ang dating bulag at sinabi sa kanya, sa ngalan ng Diyos, magsabi ka ng totoo. Alam naming ang taong yan ay makasalanan. Siya o kami ang mali. The Pharisees knew that such a miracle could only come from God. But they refused to see Jesus as from God. They refused to see themselves as not from God because they could not do such a miracle, and they would not, even if they could, dahil Sabbath. John 9:25, sumagot siya, hindi ko po alam kung siya'y makasalanan o hindi. Isang bagay lang po ang alam ko. Ako'y dating bulag, subalit ngayon nakakakita na. Bakit niyo ba kino-complicate ang kwento?